How to find work information settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find work information settings on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click here and click history lines, and now go down until you find here settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now just go down until you find this one, profile information, and here you will find work information. Then just click on it and manage it on anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.